Hello everyone. Welcome back. If every time you paint trees they turn too dark, your snow doesn't look white, or your tree blends into the background with no separation, then this video is for you. For this painting, we don't need many tools. I'm using cold-pressed watercolor paper. For brushes, I only use 3 brushes, one medium round brush, one small round brush, and one soft brush for blending. For colors, we keep it simple with just 4: ultramarine blue, Payne's gray, yellow ochre, and burnt sienna, or any brown and pure water. Using fewer colors helps beginners keep the painting clean and calm. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is starting with the tree first. We don't do that. We always start with the background. Lightly wet the paper with clean water, not soaking, just a thin, even layer. This helps us create a soft winter atmosphere. While the paper is still damp, mix ultramarine blue and Payne's gray with plenty of water. Gently apply it to the upper part of the paper. As you move downward, use less paint and more water. At this stage, we are not creating shapes. We are only setting the winter mood. Keep everything light and keep everything soft. Before the paper dries, yellow ochre, ultramarine blue, burnt sienna, and a touch of Payne's gray. Using the medium brush, add soft, blurry shapes for distant trees. These trees should look faded and unclear. No details here. Blur means distance. Too much detail will flatten the painting. Now we move to the main tree. Mix a small amount of burnt sienna with Payne's gray. Using the small brush, paint the trunk and main branches gently. Think in shapes and shadows, not outlines. Keep the tree light. Dark trees are one of the most common beginner mistakes. Here's an important lesson. Snow is not painted. Snow is left unpainted. Do not use white paint. Using a dry brush with a little ultramarine blue, add soft shadows near the ground and around the base of the tree. The white paper is your snow. Add a few small details near the ground, just enough to create contrast. Avoid overworking the painting. This artwork is about atmosphere, not detail. Too much detail will destroy the softness. Let's quickly recap the key lessons. Always paint the background first. Leave white areas for snow. Use fewer colors. Avoid over-detailing. And keep your edges soft. If you practice these steps, even beginners can paint a peaceful snowy tree. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to paint next. Thank you for watching, and happy painting.